Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to see how to transfer our ChatGPT memory to Claude. To do this, the first thing we'll do is head over to Claude and go to the settings section. There we'll go to the capabilities and make sure this is activated. As we can see, we should have these two options enabled. Then we'll see where it mentions the chat memory. Now, what we'll do is go to a new chat, this time in ChatGPT. We are going to open this and enter the following command or prompt to ask ChatGPT to provide a summary of all our memory that is important to us. So once here in ChatGPT, we'll paste this prompt right here that says summarize everything you know about me, my work, how I operate, and what matters to me. Then we'll send this prompt. Once we send it, we'll see that we get the information based on obviously all the previous chat we have in ChatGPT. After it gives us all of this, the next step will be to head back to Claude. Once it has provided all this information, we'll send this command. This is memory from another AI assistant. Please store this information. We'll simply copy this, paste it over here, and send it directly to Claude. Once we do this, we'll be able to see that Claude will save all this information, and we won't be starting from scratch in Claude anymore. We'll have the data provided by ChatGPT through the command we request. And that will be all for today.